right, everybody. Ellen is at the helm.
First mate.
Jim was. Jim's taking a break. But we're out doing a little sailing today. The wind's perfect. It's about, it just kicked up to 18 knots. But here's Joost van Dyke, BVI, and British Virgin Islands that way. But we're having a nice little sail. Steve and Nan, we were just talking about you. So
We miss y'all.
Miss you and hope all is great. Oh, come on.
Perfect. Right through the hand.
Raul, which way are you going? You going that way or that way?
I don't know, which way is the reef?
Well, all the other people are over there. We're going.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
So we've got all the peeps in the water in this beautiful bay.
Let's go this way.
Well, I'm a demolition derby,
Have a nice swim.
We'll be back.
Okay.
Elisa's back. We've got the whole crew here. Even Milo.
I haven't been to makeup.
Milo barfed for us.
Kitty.
Well, this is our end of the day. We went out for a nice sail, and hey, everybody.
Swim.
This is how we had a swim. We went for a snorkel. Todd, Raul here is the only person we know of that'll give you a run for your money in the fish department. He's a swimmer also. So we found a bunch of, hopefully the GoPro will come out and there'll be some cool footage of the fish we saw. No coral, but a lot of fish over on the rocks. Right over there at the corner. But that's it. We just wanted to say hi. And Jim and Ellen, thanks for coming. We're not going to see them most likely after today, but
Thanks for having us on
what
the
an
boat.
awesome time to
Till the next
like
time.
tell the world. Just awesome how it works out sometimes.
Our timelines intersected.
Yeah, very cool. And Milo is very appreciative of it also.
Uh-huh.
But happy sunset, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.
Cheers.
Oh, look at that.